Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is Kurumi Cooks. This video shows you how to make Japanese sweet omelets, which is Tamagoyaki. This is a little bit fiddly, but I'm sure you will get the hang of it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here are the ingredients you will need. 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, a pinch of salt. First, break the 4 eggs into a bowl or a jug. Now add the sugar, mirin, and salt to the eggs. Next, beat everything together. Add a half tablespoon of oil into a pan and heat. I'm using a 20 cm pan. In Japan, people use a square pan which makes it easier to flip the omelets. But don't worry, this will work. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Then pour in 1/4 of your mixture. Fry the omelette until it begins to set. Now carefully fold the omelette into the first roll. Use a slice and maybe a fork as well if you need to. Pour in another 1/4 of egg mixture. Make sure you get the mixture underneath the omelette roll so that it sticks together. Like the first time, let the omelette cook until it's almost set. Next, carefully fold the roll to the other side of the pan. Add the third 1/4 of the mixture and repeat. Again, make sure you get the mixture under the roll. Roll the omelette back to the other side of the pan again. Add the last mixture and repeat. We are almost there. Finally, roll the omelette out onto a plate to cool. This omelette is eaten as it is or used for making egg sushi. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website Kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!